Welcome to the Contact Type tutorial. This is Andrew
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev Team. This tutorial will show you how to create customized contact types in the Options Manager menu. Contact types are used to categorize or describe a new contact. To see how to populate a contact list, please see the Contact Manager tutorial. The user can customize contact type input options to fit data collection program needs. Let's see how it's done.
From the menu toolbar, select Setup, then Option Manager, and the Option Manager window will open. Under the List column, select Contact Type. Contact types, such as Client, Contractor, and others, are pre-populated in the VGS database. These have the locked icon next to them and cannot be deleted, but can be made inactive by unchecking the radio button under the Active column. Changing a contact type to inactive does not remove the reference from the database, but removes the contact type as an option during contact type selection.
To add a new contact type, click the Add icon and a new row will appear. Name the new contact type and give a description if desired. Ensure the radio button under the Active column is checked. If you would like to change the default contact type, check the radio button under the default column for the item you would like to save as the default and click Save. If you'd like to cancel all new edits, click the Cancel button.
If you would like to delete a contact type that is not locked, select the item and click the Delete icon. A contact type will not be deleted if the contact type is referenced in the VGS database. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.